Hello Year 4s, welcome to your first video with Mr. Robertson here. I'm going to talk about a few things about the forest. And today I'm going to talk about the forest and people. How we use the forest and why it's so important. In Sweden, in autumn, just like now, it is wonderful to go into the forest to try and get food. And we have lots of berries and lots of mushrooms. They come out at this time of year because the temperature and the moisture, how much water there is just right. And also, they've been storing their energy over the summer. So now they're full of life and they're giving that energy back out so they can try and find new places to have new berries and new mushrooms for next year. With the berries, there are 3 types of berries that are super important that, of course, I'm sure many of you are aware of. Blueberries, of course. Lingonberry and raspberry, eller hallon. Now, it so happens that the blueberries, blåbär, they want to be in the darker parts of the forest, near lots and lots of the trees, so they do not want an area with lots of light. That works best for them to get their energy. But the raspberries, they want to be in a place with lots of light. That is where they will grow best. So usually in a forest, near the path, you will see the raspberries by the side, and maybe have to go a bit more in to the middle to try and find where the blueberries are going to be. A little difference there, but of course food is important, and if you get a chance, go into the forest over this coming period when the weather's still good and try and find some food. Be careful because some berries and some mushrooms can be poisonous, so only take the things you know. But the forest itself is really important too. The trees are really important for Sweden. Sweden sells lots of timber. All the bits of wood and furniture, all the things in IKEA, made from Swedish trees. It's a really big industry. As of course, is using those trees to make paper. Again, very important industry. Sweden's producing more and more trees and needs more paper all the time. And also, we can, not so often now, but we can also use that to burn the trees to get energy. If you want to get energy, we can burn, make a fire, and we can get energy from that as well. So trees are very important in different ways, and we need to cut the trees down to do so, but we need to protect. In Sweden, there is a rule that if 1 tree is cut down, then at least 2 new trees must be planted. Sweden tries to have ways to protect it, and in Sweden the forest is getting bigger and bigger and has done over the last 100 years. It's something that we're really good. And the people of Sweden think it's important to protect trees. If we have lots and lots of trees, then we can have lots and lots of places for different kinds of animals to live. Some underground, some up high like birds, wherever. Lots of animals can live in a place with lots of trees. Absolutely. Also, all of this down here, the soil, eller jord, if it rains lots and lots, it can wash away. The water can take it and it goes away. if there's lots of trees there, that slows it down. So we do not run out of lots of soil. And of course the plants need the soil. So we need to protect that. And also, one thing you've got to hear a lot more of over the next few years is that trees need something to grow called CO2. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas that makes our Earth warmer. That's a little bit okay, but at the moment we have too much. Because when we burn things, we also make CO2. We also make this gas. So we want to control it. And trees control it because trees need it and they take it away from the air. There we go, people. There's the first video. You've got some questions to do. Have a go. See how well you do. And we'll come and see you all in class next week. Take care.